Initial reactions?
Well, we're relieved, glad that it's over, and believe that the jury made the right decision today.
On your end, what do you feel worked well in your defense?
The truth. Mr. Sackett wasn't guilty, and the facts borne that out.
During a lot of the time you focused on tunnel vision. Can you tell us why?
Well, it's something that we see quite often in this line of work, that it's a natural human reaction to want to assume that there's a bad guy out there and focus your attention on the person that you think did something, when in fact you have the facts right in front of you that suggests another alternative.
You took some, on your closing statement with the deck of cards, you kind of tried to allude to a message. Can you elaborate on that?
Well, it was a metaphor for the burden of proof, on the fact that proof beyond a reasonable doubt requires the jury to eliminate all reasonable doubts and, in fact, take all of those cards and put them back on the deck. And unless you don't have that, then you have to find a person not guilty.
Meeting with the family, as you have been, what is their feeling right now, and what happens with them at this point in the immediate future?
Well, right now their priority is just making sure that they're taking care of their son, their brother, their family member. They're relieved that they're eventually going to have Erik back.
Now, he still will have to serve a remainder of a jail term for other things.
For the violation of his supervision, yes.
We know how long that's yet to be?
Good question. I should have looked that up. I don't have a firm number right now.
Right.
In this trial, it can be taxing on someone. Did you notice that on Erik?
I noticed on Erik, myself, and everyone involved on both sides.
You spent a lot of time talking about Dr. Onsred as an alternate suspect. Do you want to see a trial against him in the future?
I think that the facts were borne out with regards to Dr. Onsrud. What the state chooses to do regarding that is up to them at this point.
Did you speak with Erik at all after the verdict? What did you say to him? What was your message to him after it was read?
I believe you, and he said thank you.
You mentioned a couple times that you don't think the police were intentional in their misgivings in the investigation. Can you elaborate on that?
I believe that the police officers in this case are good people. They're hardworking professionals. Their intentions were honest. They just made a human assumption.
And so where does Sackett go right now?
Well, right now he still remains in jail on the probation violation.
I think we're good. All right, then.
Alrighty, thanks.